This is suggested. This was suggested by you guys, and I did a. Hey guys, it's Khushi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for how I achieved this look. It's quite subtle and natural. That's what I go for on a daily basis when I'm recording reels or just hanging out with my friends. It takes like 15 minutes to do. It's super easy, and that's it. Let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so let's start with the makeup tutorial. The first thing I do is I moisturize my face. You can use any kind of moisturizer. I don't even know how to pronounce this, Saint Douens. So the reason why I use a moisturizer is because my face is dry and so is my body. My skin type is like on the very dry side, so it's very good to moisturize beforehand. Plus I feel like it makes the blending of the makeup product simpler. I don't know what was that. So once I'm done with the moisturizer, I go in with my concealer, and the one that I use is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade 25, which is for medium skin. I got this previously in a lighter shade and that just did not work out for me whatsoever. I apply it under my eyes like so, and I blend it out with my fingers. Now I know most people use beauty blenders and other stuff like brushes, but I prefer using my finger. It's faster, plus it just blends out easily. It's easier to control because it's your finger. I don't know what am I talking about. Then I move on to put it on my nose, my chin and my forehead. Now that I'm done concealing, I go on to do my eyebrows. I use the Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow. So now that I'm done with concealing, I use the Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil in the shade 1, which is black. And usually I have to take time to do my eyebrows because, as you can see, I barely have any eyebrows. So I just go in and fill it like this. Now that it looks like I actually have eyebrows, we move on to eyeliner. And this is the most requested thing that you guys wanted to see. You always keep asking me how I do my eyeliner. I use the Maybelline New York Colossal.
So I use the Maybelline New York Colossal Bold Liner.
Okay, so I'm gonna look in the mirror in front of me and try to do this without making any errors. Okay, so what I do is you go in on the side of your eye, you see where it ends, and then just kind of make an outline like so. Just make a line that goes upwards, and then you have the end of it, right? I like to make my wings really long, so they end where my eyebrow tip ends, and then I just like make another line joining that till the middle of my eye, like so, and then you just fill it in. The next step is the mascara, and I use this one by Inside. It's Ultra Curl Plus Volume Mascara. Yeah, so I just apply mascara normally. I also have an eyelash curler, but I'm scared to use it. I got it from Nykaa because there was a sale going on, but then I never really use it as much now. I did use it once or twice and almost ended up pulling my eyelashes off the eyelid. That was fun. So now's the time for some blush, and I use this palette by Sugar. It was gifted to me by Kamakshi, who's my best friend. If you guys did not know, shout out to Kamakshi. And I use this one right here because this is blush, this is highlight, and this is contour. I don't know if that's how you say it. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with this brush that I got from a drugstore, and then I'll just apply the blush like so. It's so weird that you cannot see the blush, but I promise I've put enough. So now I'm gonna go in with the highlight in the same palette. So when I put my highlight, I put it on both cheekbones obviously, and then I go in for the nose, like the tip of the nose. So I put it on my nose and then I put it on my, what do you call it? Cupid's bow. We're so close to the end and now I'm gonna do my lips. So I use Vaseline. Vaseline is superior, it is elite. I will fight anybody who goes against Vaseline. Vaseline is great, guys. The next step is lipstick, and I use this one by Nykaa. It is All Day Matte in the shade Soul Sister. It's like this, it's just such a pretty pink color. I usually don't put too much because it's very pigmented, but I just like to use it in a lighter way so that it doesn't show up all like in the face, because I really like my makeup and it's more natural. So now I'm gonna do my hair, and most of you guys ask me what haircut I have, what hairstyle do I have. So basically I have a layer cut. I don't know how do I explain this, but I'm pretty sure what it is basically just hair cut in different layers. So yeah, that is my hair. So as you can see, this is my hair just after brushing. I don't apply any kind of heat to it. I never really do, and it just looks like this naturally. I don't curl it, I don't do any sort of other, like, you know, tactic, heatless, nothing. So after brushing, my hair looks like this, and I'm genuinely very grateful to have hair which naturally styles itself, because I am quite a disaster when I use a straightener or curler. It's very messy. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm trying to cater to whatever you guys like to see. So make sure to follow me on Instagram because I keep asking what you want to see, and your suggestions really help a lot. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I do polls and different kind of question boxes asking what you want to see. All sorts of responses help a lot and they all mean a lot to me, and I genuinely love you guys a lot. Thank you so much for sticking with me throughout this entire video. Bye!